Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Navigator of the Seas, sailing from Los Angeles. Now this particular category is a CB, it's a connecting balcony, but I just wanted to point out it's the same as a standard balcony as well, but this is a little bit different if you check out the other ones on our channel. We're up here on deck 12. These were added on later when they did the renovation, so you'll notice right away the decor is completely different. If you're looking for one of those secret balcony options, you may want to check out these up here on deck 12, but any of the rooms forward on deck 11 or 12, all of those were added in later, so you're going to have that new updated decor. Now when you want to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value. Now as soon as you walk in the door, you've got your hooks for a coat here, and then you're going to find your storage. So you've got storage all the way up and down here with shelves, and then as I open this up, you're going to find your hanging storage. So it goes all the way across, you've got storage up above. This will pull down for a bit more hanging storage as well. Now directly across, you're going to find the temperature controls and the bathroom. Let's step in here. Now it's the same size as you're going to find on all the other ones, but I do like that they've added all this extra storage here, and then you can open that up and have a little bit of storage there as well. You got storage underneath, you can see the updated backsplash, toilet tucked in the corner, and then you've got the shower right here. Now I'm a really big guy, I'm 6'6". I love that they have a bowed out door here so I can actually fit. You've got the adjustable shower wand that goes up and down, nook for your amenities just here. Now as we head into the main part of the space, you're going to have a floor-to-ceiling mirror here where you can get ready. You've got storage in here all the way up and down. Just in here you'll find your safe, perfect size for passport and wallets. And then down below you're going to have your mini fridge. Now this is your writing desk that doubles as a vanity. You've got a light up above. You've got 2 US plugs and a Euro plug. I always bring an extra European adapter or converter so I can utilize all the plugs in the space. You got storage up here. You also have drawers all the way up and down. You'll find your hair dryer just here as well. And then directly across, you're going to find your couch. Now, different ones have different configurations that can make up into triples or quads. You can see that right on the deck plans on HarrTravel.com. But right here, you've got a nice large size couch. And then we'll find the bed. Now, the bed is what they call their Royal King configuration. It's together now, but it can separate apart into 2 twins. You're going to have nightstands on either side with a drawer for storage, reading lamps up above, and then directly across, you're going to find a large flat panel TV. It's actually quite a bit bigger than you're going to find in the other balcony staterooms. It is fully interactive. You can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television. Now I mentioned that this is a CB, a connecting balcony. You'll see your interior connecting door right there. You can utilize that if you want to book 2 rooms. For a lot of families or groups traveling together, it's a really nice configuration. Now up here they also have this exact room that's not connecting. You'll see that on the deck plans as well. Now keep in mind, if you don't purchase the other room, it's going to remain locked the entire time. So now we're out on your private veranda. You can see the sliding door here. You've got your table and 2 chairs there. It's that perfect place to have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, or take advantage of the room service menu. Now I mentioned that this particular one is on deck 12. I love the idea that you're very high up there. You get incredible ocean views looking out. You do have a little bit of overhang for protection, but this to me is what cruising is all about. Having your own private space to come out, enjoy the morning or the sunset in the evening, and really take in the ocean views. Now when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value.